It's a temper, so if you're installing Patio stone and you need to make a solid base on the ground, you want to rent one of those. At the front there is actually a water tank. You can turn this on to water up your gravel as you're tempering it, or crushed limestone. To turn it on, you'll have just a small gas engine. Gas goes on the top here. Turn it on, switch that switch to on, and then you switch your gas here, the run position. Put your choke this way to choke it up. There's your throttle right here. Now you're ready to just pull the cord and it's gonna start right away. After it starts, it's gonna run a little bit hard at the beginning. Then you put your choke back on like this, and then you just crank your throttle up and it will start tempering everything. Now you're gonna see that as soon as you put some throttle up, that machine wants to drag you along with it. You can just control how much pull it has and how much it's tempering by just setting your throttle. It does a nice tempering job, and then you're going to be able to install your stone all level and they won't move on you over the years. They should stay all stable. Depending how much limestone you put, you have to put crushed limestone about 4-inch thick, temper it down. If you have any low spot, then grab the temper again and temper it a little bit more until you have a nice level ground. Keep your level on it and you'll be good to go. Now those are extremely heavy, so you'll need at least 2 guys to put it on or off your truck, or grab it with a chain here if you have an excavator or a bobcat or something like this, and it's gonna make your life way easier. Now I ran this thing for almost 2 hours at my house, and I just went through about half a tank of fuel, maybe a little bit more than half. They just take regular fuel, so it's not expensive to run at all. Now you'll need to use a temper like this for beside your house, because the machine cannot go too close and you don't want to end up hitting the concrete on the side of your wall. But those things are heavy and they're hard on your back, so having the gas temper is way better, especially if you have a big area like this to do. Now hopefully this video will help you a little bit to know if you should rent a temper or not. But yeah, if you have a big area like this, I recommend it. It really saved my back. I will see you in the next video. You might be interested in watching this one here about when I rented the dingo to actually dig all the dirt in here. So like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.